Alright guys, today we're down in Warwick. It's a little bit windy, so if my voice is a little bit muffled, I apologise for that. Today we've got this 2013 Nissan Qashqai. The customer initially called us up for a DPF clean and a 3-stage carbon clean. They must have had a fault code come on the system a while back. They've got their own little code reader to hand in the vehicle, so they put the diagnostics on straight away and they found a DPF fault code. So we've come out today, we've tested all the DPF. It's looking, it's not 100%, it's not the worst that we've come across, but it's getting there. So we've decided to go with the DPF clean. And also the customer wanted to just take it a little bit further, just because they don't want the issue to come back anytime soon, or block up because of a dirty engine. So what we've done, we've gone for a 3-stage carbon clean as well. Alright guys, the engine carbon clean is complete now. We're just on a DPF clean. Again, the foam, there's a little bit of soot in there. This DPF wasn't really bad, but we've decided to go for it as a maintenance thing anyway. Just for peace of mind and prevent that fault code once all done. It's just started raining, so we're going to get packed up and on the way. Even though it wasn't badly blocked, that's still how much soot we managed to get out of the DPF. It's a little bit hard to see, but if you look how black all that soot is, and that's on one, that's nowhere near the worst DPF we've ever come across, so it still needed cleaning as a maintenance thing really. That could have caused some very expensive issues in the future, so gladly prevented that.